nature, ah man, it's so beautiful. I never in my life imagined something like this. So this experience will never be forgotten. So thanks, guys.
Majesty, you are the sea, you are my majesty. The seed in me, carried to its destiny. We are
This land and the people that take care of this land and the intentions that are holding this course and other courses that take place here, and in all the other communities, that conscious or intentional communities that are in this area in the Diamante Valley, has made True Nature a really special place to have permaculture or any forest.
Wakened by a glimpse of light, this is your life. Awakened by a glimpse of light, this is your life. Love is your life.
Schools, but more than anything, teach people that a different way of living exists, and the more people that sort of get that, then there's a better chance for them to be able to get together and have a common language to create a more common movement. Right now there's sort of fractioned off movements around the world that are all speaking to the same goal, just in a different way. So maybe permaculture is the common language that everybody can start speaking to know that they're working in the same struggle.
Participating in yoga quite regularly throughout this, and just really appreciating that opportunity and Luna's way of teaching, and just all of that has been a wonderful experience.
Devotion, like the waves of the ocean, reveal only sweet destiny.
Something you love to do, even though there may be obstacles in time, like all these
waves of the ocean reveal only sweet destiny.
It's a very difficult task to prepare consistently good food for a group of 30 to 40 people, 3 meals a day. But it's been very wholesome. It's very flavorful. I certainly have not gone for lack of food or had the desire to, burst out and buy a burger.
Feel you in the mountain.
Well, I'm staying in a cabin, the bamboo cabin, and it's, to me, just been incredible to be there at any time of the day, but especially at night when the stars, before the very full moon came, when the stars were out.
I become you, become me. We are rising toward the one. May we respect the Mother Earth. She carries us, and speak only that which guides the way. May we serve that which calls on us.